Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have a fun video coming your way. We are doing a variety of things, so you're gonna get some motivation and I'm gonna share my day with you. We're gonna check out Michael's and do a little bit of fall shopping. I'm also going to share a grocery haul with you. We're going to do some cleaning and just some everyday mom life motivation. So right now I am getting Ava ready for school because we are back to school. Summer is over, sadly, and we're back to the routine. So I made her some breakfast, got her lunch ready, got her off to school. Then I made myself something to eat, and we're going to go ahead and continue with the morning routine. So we are going to start off by washing my bedding. This is something that I do weekly.
I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us.
So I wanted to do a quick little cleanup here in the laundry room just because I noticed the top of the washer and dryer was dusty. Now I'm going to jump in the shower and I am going to apply my skincare products on my face.
The lake has turned to a golden sun. I'll never get tired. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start the day. I'm all done getting ready. The blankets are actually almost done washing and drying. I kind of took long getting ready. Before we head out to the stores and check out the new Michael's store. Oh, that's Remy. So I want to do like a little fall shop with me there, or yeah, shop with me, take you guys along with me while I check it out because it's our brand new store. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the supplements that I have been drinking, and I've been drinking this new supplement called Burn. And it's something that I'll drink in the morning before I start cleaning, or you can drink it before a workout. You can drink it in the morning instead of like your coffee. It has a good boost to energy without crashing or without feeling shaky or any jitters, which is a plus. So we're at Michael's and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. They had a ton of Halloween decor. So if you are into decorating for Halloween, they had a ton of cute things. So many new pieces of decor that I haven't seen. And then they have also a section for fall. I almost feel like their Halloween section was a little bit bigger than the fall. I mean, they have a lot of garland and floral arrangements for fall decor, but as far as all of the pieces of decor like this, I feel like they had way more Halloween. So now we're over at the fall decor and we're starting off with the floral arrangements. I felt like there was a lot of garland and florals that reminded me more of spring. I don't know, but definitely not something that I would personally use for my fall decor. I'm not exactly sure which direction I'm going this year. I'm going to just try and reuse mostly everything that I already have so I can stay on a budget, but definitely pick up a few new things. So we'll see. I'm playing it by ear, and they had a great sale going on, as they always do. It was 40% off. Only found a few things that I liked. I really liked this little turntable tray. It was super cute, and the prices were really good. It said $19.99, but again, it would be 40% off. And then I wanted to show you guys there's more Halloween. After I showed you all the Halloween, they had that area where obviously it's stuff to do like DIY wreaths and stuff. These are some tablecloths or table runners. And you have like your lanterns and other pieces of decor. This was another thing that I really loved. I love this pumpkin so much, just wood and neutral, and I just love that natural wood look. And then some of these dishes would be nice to put on like a entryway table for our keys, but I want something that's more neutral. I'm thinking my vision is still going to be more of that neutral cream colors, natural woods, and some orange, but not like the bright orange. I do love these glittery leaves, but it's not something that I want to decorate with. Me and Isaiah were both thinking like these leaves would be a little bit better. And then I already have those pumpkins over there, but they had some newer colors, and I wanted to show you guys the price of them. Just remember, everything is 40% off right now. I also thought these were really cute. I'm not sure exactly what I would use them for or where I would put them. Give me ideas, because honestly, I think they're super cute. I did end up purchasing this cute little photo frame thing, photo holder. You guys probably seen it over on my Instagram. If you follow me there, I was raving all about it. I just think it's the cutest thing, and I got it for $9, which is amazing, and I'm going to put the kids' pictures in it. So now we went ahead and grabbed some lunch at this fun little cafe, tropical cafe, and got these yummy like pita sandwiches. They were so good, and then some sweet potatoes. Now we're over at Target. I needed to get a few items there, but I wanted to show you guys pumpkin spice is out. There were so many pumpkin spice flavored foods, and the theme is just out there. I would have showed you guys more, but I was just done recording. But I mean, even your Pop-Tarts, cereals, everything. So if you're into pumpkin spice, you can go and find some at Target for sure. So now I'm going to share my Target grocery haul with you. I did grab some of these Go-Go Squeeze fruit on the go, and then I went ahead and picked up some unsweetened vanilla almond milk by the Good and Gather brand. So then I picked up some cuties. I also got some pulled pork sliders with mac and cheese. Just a super convenient, easy meal that you just have to basically heat up everything and you're ready. And then I got some Tide Pods. We've been using the cold water ones, which we like a lot. I did go ahead and get some of this Kodiak protein packed oatmeal. I went ahead and got some jelly for peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Some Best Foods mayo. This is the light mayonnaise. Got myself some icebreakers so I'm not breathing into my lash client's
space. You know, I got fresh breath when I'm lashing them. And then we picked up some barbecue sauce, the sweet and honey craft. I got some bananas. I always like to buy bananas that have a little bit of the green on them so they won't go bad as quick. Also, a trick, you guys, to help keep your bananas fresher longer is just to wet a paper towel and then wrap it around the top of your bundle of bananas so it's super wet. And then we're just gonna lay that there and we're gonna do like this. Let me show you. That's it. I got some grapes. I did pick up some disinfecting wipes so I can clean my lash space sweet. And then I went ahead and got some of these Jimmy Dean sausage patties.
Trying to vlog and do my day, it takes a little bit more time than just getting the tasks done. So I didn't have a lot of time before picking up Ava, so I wanted to at least get this load of laundry folded. I wanted to clean up my room, get the bed made with the clean blankets, vacuum, those types of things.
I know what you want, but I don't wanna talk. You say it's no one's fault, the battles that we lost, the chances I gave you, I never complained, it's true. The nights you didn't call, did not come home at all. Who's gonna hold your hand in the dark? Who's gonna warm your cold, cold heart? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna be there when you're breaking down? Who's gonna fix you when I'm not around? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna stay when you're falling apart? Who's gonna warm your cold, cold heart? Who's gonna warm your cold?
We finally did get a cute little rug for this hallway up here. I actually bought 2 of these, so the other one is gonna go downstairs. I just haven't unrolled it and put it out yet, but I did get them on sale from Living Spaces. So just to kind of add, it just looks a little bit cozier. And I also have a pink stain. If you guys remember from years ago, the pink stain that it doesn't come out. Even the shampoo carpet companies that have been out to our house, they can't get it out either. So it's over. Anyway, so that rug helps keep that hidden. And now we're going to go ahead and fold another load of laundry that I had cleaned and get this done. I'm trying to stay on top of my laundry. It's an everyday challenge.
Be there when you're breaking down. Who's gonna fix you when I'm not around? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna stay when you're falling apart? Who's gonna warm your cold, cold heart? Who's gonna warm your cold heart? Who's gonna hold your hand in the dark? Who's gonna warm your cold, cold heart? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna be there when you're breaking down? Who's gonna fix you when I'm not around? Not me, it's not me. Not me, it's not me. Who's gonna stay when you're falling apart? I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type.
Alright, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I wanted to do more of my old like home reset or weekly reset type video and kind of take you along with me during the day so I can share more of a variety of content and things. So if you did like this type of video, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback because these ones are fun and it's just a little bit different than the regular cleaning videos that I typically do. Also, don't forget to check out Motive 8. I will have the discount code down below in my description box if you want to go ahead and try their bundle so you can try some of their products without committing to the bigger tubs. So I hope you guys are doing amazing and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.